Lesson 2. Express locations and give directions. Conversation model. Read and listen to someone ask for and get directions.
Read and listen to someone ask for and get directions.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the National Bank.
The National Bank? Do you know the address?
Yes, it's 205 Holly Avenue.
Oh, walk to the corner of First and Holly. It's right around the corner, across from the museum.
Thank you.
Or, if you don't know,
The National Bank? I'm sorry, I'm not from around here.
Thanks anyway.
Okay, it's good idea if you practice again this conversation with the reading and intonation. Please try to do it. Vocabulary, locations and directions. Read and listen, then listen again and repeat. Location, where is the? The idea is that put here a place that you want to go. Where is Manhattan? Manhattan is or it's across from the park. We can say something like that. We have some examples. It's on the right side of the street. Es al lado derecho. It's across from. Es cruzando desde. It's down the street from. Es bajando la calle desde. It's around the corner from. Es volteando la esquina de. It's between Main Street and Mercer Avenue. Cuando utilizamos between tenemos que utilizar dos lugares ya que decimos en medio de. Directions. What's the difference? Locations, I give for the person only the location, as Google Maps, something like that. When you say Google Maps that help you, he give you the directions that give you exactly what step by step to go to that place. That question is how do I get to there, and you put the place that you want to go. For example, if I want to go to Kine Street, I go turn left at the corner at the light on the Kine Street. Gira a la izquierda en la esquina en el semáforo o en la calle Kine Street. Go, walk or drive. Utilizamos los imperativos. Go, walk or drive. Ve, camina, maneja. 2 blocks and turn right. Dos bloques significa que es dos calles. And turn right a la derecha. Go, walk or drive to the corner of Smith Street. Ve, camina o maneja hasta la esquina de la calle Smith y la avenida Bond. This one is like a connect. Es una conexión. Connect. Okay? Connection. For more information about that, we can find more information after this. Express locations and give directions. Grammar, lesson 2. Locations. When we talk about location, we use the WH question word, where depend the singular noun or the plural noun that you use the verb to be. For example, in the first one is singular noun. For that reason, we put is, like a is, because it's singular. Where's the bank? It's between KFC and the pharmacy. Where are the restaurant? Plural noun. They're next to the town hall. Remember that we can use that. It's more important to use the singular noun because you find always or you want to know for one place, not for a lot of places. Directions. When you use like a give or like a you want to go somewhere, the idea is that you try to say the question correctly. That question is how do I get to? And in that part you can put the place that you want. For example, how do I get to the bank? ¿Cómo yo llego al banco? Turn left at the traffic lights and go down 3 blocks. Gira a la izquierda en el semáforo y luego baja 3 calles. This is so important. Why? Because you use the imperative form. The imperative form is that you don't use a subject because it's like instructions. Listen for locations. Listen to the conversation about places. Write the number of each place in a box on a map. Be careful. There are 3 places but 7 voices. Tenemos 7 espacios para 3 lugares. What's the idea? The idea is that listen carefully and you select 3 places of that depend on the instructions that give you the listening. Okay, we tried.
Listen to the conversations about places. Write the number of each place in a box on the map. Be careful. There are 3 places, but 7 boxes. Conversation 1.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the city center. Do you know where that is?
The city center. Let me think. Oh, sure, go straight down the street.
Pacific Street?
That's right. Then turn right on Atlantic.
Right on Atlantic.
Then go to the corner of Indian and Atlantic. The city center is on the right side of the street. You can't miss it.
Thanks.
Conversation 2.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the art museum.
Actually, I'm not from around here. But I think that's it, right across the street.
Oh, right, I see it now. Thanks.
Conversation 3.
Ma'am, excuse me? I'm looking for the Clooney Theater.
The Clooney Theater? Do you know the address?
Yes, it's 600 Hudson Street.
600 Hudson Street? Oh yeah, I know where that is. Walk straight down Bay 1 block, then turn left on Adriatic. Walk to the corner of Hudson and turn left. It's right there on the corner.
Use the vocabulary from page 18 to tell your partner where you live. For example, my house is on Grove Street between Dodge Street and Park Street. Pronunciation, rising intonation to confirm information. Repeat information with rising intonation to be sure you understand. Read and listen, then listen again and repeat. For example,
Repeat information with rising intonation to be sure you understand. Read and listen.
Where's the library?
The library? Let's meet at the mall.
The mall?
when you're writing some words in the intonation, you can practice more that the people understand the things that you want to say. Okay? Now you can spread location and give directions. This is so important that you practice a lot this topic.
Let's change the conversation model.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the downtown gallery.
The downtown gallery? Do you know the address?
Yes, it's 78 South Street.
Oh, turn left at the corner, walk 2 blocks. It's on the right side of the street.
Thank you.
And if you don't know...
Excuse me, I'm looking for the downtown gallery.
The downtown gallery. I'm sorry, I'm not from around here.
Thanks anyway.
You can use this image to practice the directions and locations. Try to do it. Thank you.